Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to chapter 4. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to click on enable editing. Then make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 4 cumulative sorry cumulative assessment auto-sales. We just increase its size. Okay, and here's project description. So we will discuss this assignment step by step. The name of today's assignment is Exp22 Excel chapter 4 cumulative assessment auto-sales. So before going to solve this assignment, let me move to whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 questions in today's assignment. The last one is a non-graded one in which we have to save, close, then exit Excel and submit the file to get the score. So let me start today's assignment step by step. Okay, so Exp22 Excel chapter 4 cumulative assessment auto-sales project description. In today's video we have 16 points in graded report. So before going to solve this assignment, let me first read project description. You work for Rockville AutoSales and have been asked to aid in development of spreadsheet to manage sales and inventory information. You will start the task with a prior worksheet that contains vehicles information and sales data for 2018. You need to convert the data to the table. You will manage the large worksheet, prepare the worksheet for printing, sort and filter the tables, include calculation, then format the table. So all these are simply instruction about the project, that what we have in today's project, how we have to solve that one. We have to read the project description, then we will move toward graded report. Okay, as we saw early in the video that in graded report we have just how many questions we have 20 questions, okay, in graded report. So let me start today's assignment. Start Excel, then download and open the file name. This one that we have download from Pearson. Then grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Okay, so first we have to open a solution file. Then click on enable editing. So question number 1 is done. Now we are moving to question number 2. Freeze the first row on fleet information worksheet. It's fleet information. We have to freeze first row, mean this row. Okay, so move to our view and there is freeze and freeze top row. Yes. So question number 2 is done and we got 5 marks from there. In question number 2, we just simply freeze the first row on a fleet information worksheet. Now we are moving toward question number 2. Convert the data to the table. Then name the table inventory, and then in last part we have to apply gold table style medium 19. Okay, so we have three parts in question number 3. First part, we have to convert the table data into table. So click in the table and data, then click on insert and convert into table. Okay, first part done. Then in next part we have to give the name of the table, that is inventory. Okay, copy, then there is a name option, paste the name, press enter, and then in last part we have to apply gold table style medium 19. Now we have to apply their medium 19. So open this one, move toward medium and medium 19. This one I think so. Yes. So question number 3 is done. Question number 3 have 3 parts and we have done all 3 parts step by step. Okay, so we have earned 10 marks from there. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Remove the duplicate records. Now we have to remove a duplicate record from this table. Okay, so first we have to select this table, then click on table design, and there in tools there remove duplicate record, click on there. Yes, simply click OK. So 3 duplicate record have been removed. Okay, so question number 4 is done and we have got 3 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 5. Sort the table by make in alphabetic order. Okay, so add a second level to sort by year smallest to largest, and in third level sort by sticker price smallest to largest. Now we have to sort the table first by make in alphabetic order, then second level to sort by year smallest to largest, then third level to sort sticker price smallest to largest. First we have to click in this table, then click on home. There is editing group, sort and filter, and custom sort. Okay, now in first condition we have to sort by make, so we have to find make and alphabetic order. Then in a second level we have to sort by year, smallest to largest. Okay, then third level by sticker price, and that is also smallest to largest. Okay, now simply press OK, so we will get the answer. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5 we have to sort the table by make in alphabetic order, add a second level to sort by year smallest to largest, and in third level to sort by sticker price smallest to largest. So question number 5 is done. Now we are moving to question number 6. We'll repeat the field name on all pages. Now we have to repeat, this is the field name. Okay, we have to repeat this name on all pages. Okay, so for that we have to click on page layout, then we have to select the sheet and repeat row at the top, first one. Okay, then simply press OK. So question number 6 is done and we got 5 marks from there. In question number 6 we have to repeat the field name on all pages. We have done and we got 6 marks from there. Now we are moving toward question number 7. The changes breaks, so each vehicle's make is printed on a separate pages. Okay, now we have to change the page breakout, so we all vehicle is printed on a separate pages. Okay, so for that we have to click on view, there is page break preview. Okay, now we have to in BMW is end on, where is that end? That is ending on here. So select this one, and there we have to select this one there, there, okay. Then we have to put next here, page break. So page break is in here. Then we have to in the page break in there. Then we have to in page break here. Then okay. So now you may see each make have its own page break, okay. So question number, now we have to review, no, view and normal, okay. So question number 7 is done. In question number 7 we have to change the page break so each vehicle's make is printed on a separate page, and we have on 5 marks from on there. Same we will solve question number 8 up to question number 20 step by step. So in today video we have discussed almost half of assignment. The name of today's assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. In start we just describe the project description, then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we have solved question number 2 where we have to freeze the first row on fleet information. Then we convert the data to the table name, table inventory, and apply goal table style medium 19. After that, and then we move toward question number 4 where we have to remove a duplicate record. Then sort the table by making alphabetic order and add second level to sort by year smallest to largest, and in third level to sort by sticker price smallest to largest. Then in question number 6 we have to repeat the field name on all pages. Then in question number 7 we have to change the page breaks so each vehicle's make is printed on separate page. So in this way we have solved almost half of assignment. But if you need complete a solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as here in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me, I am available, I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes, and result will be 100%, and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me, text me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. I'm available, I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 1 hour. Price will be reasonable, the result will be 100%. So in today's video we have discussed Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.